Okay, let's start with something that immediately upgrades the vibe of a bathroom. The COSHOMER 36 by 84 5-panel frosted glass sliding barn door that ships with a 6.6-foot hardware kit. The listing I checked positions this as a full kit: door slats, 5 frosted glass panels, track hardware, handles, floor guide and installation tools, so you're not juggling a dozen separate purchases. Sellers typically price this mid-range for ready-to-install barn doors. Prices vary by seller and size, so check the live listing, and the page highlights the waterproof frosted glass surface, pre-drilled holes for easier assembly, and a packaging that's intended to be a one-stop DIY solution. In plain English, it gives you a bright, modern frosted glass look with the privacy you want in a bathroom but still lets light through. On the user experience front, buyers love how it looks out of the box and that the frosted glass feels substantial. The listing calls out high-hardness frosted glass, and many reviews praise the aesthetic and privacy balance. The positives are obvious. Frosted glass looks nicer than plain MDF. The waterproof surface resists splashes, important in bathrooms, and the included hardware saves hours of fuss. That said, the review chorus also includes practical caveats. Big panels require careful handling in transit. Inspect for shipping damage immediately. Installation needs accurate measurements and a sturdy mounting surface. Poorly anchored tracks are the #1 cause of rubbing, and you may want a second person for alignment. Expect to sand or touch up tiny edge blemishes if you want a showroom finish, but for most buyers the visual impact outweighs the minor DIY work. Pros: modern frosted look, hardware included, pre-drilled slats and floor guide, waterproof surface. Cons: larger panels are awkward solo and may show small transport blemishes. Precise installation required. If you want a ready-made bathroom barn door that's easy to style and mostly plug and play for a confident DIY, this COSHOMER kit is a great look upgrade. And yes, we